ang tunay na artist is the one who creates art, not just talks about it.
Gets.
We can just talk and talk about art, it's all in our heads. Walang kwenta yun. Kung gumawa ka ng kanta, at kung gumawa ka lang ng isang kanta, hindi ka pa sa songwriter. Ang songwriter gumagawa ng maraming kanta. Pangit o hindi, tinutuloy niya.
Opo.
Di ba? Kasi, like for me, ano yun parang yung song na ginawa mo, synthesis yun of who and where you are at that moment. Sometimes you're better, sometimes you're not. Di ba? But the important thing is to do.
Opo.
Hindi pwedeng, alam mo, hindi pwedeng maghihintay ka na ma-inspire.
Gets.
No? You have to find your own inspiration. You have to be a person na naghahanap ng ano. Yung nga, awakened,
Opo.
ready to catch the inspiration, sometimes with one phrase.
Gets.
Gaya nung isang friend ko naghiwalay. Sabi ko, hindi ba kayo nagmamahalan? Sabi niya, I love him but we can't stand each other. So tinagalog ko yun. Kung tunay tayo nagmamahalan, ba't di tayo magkasundo? Exactly. Walang tigil ang gulo. Diba? Ganun. You just, kuminsan parang ganun A person walks in and
Opo.
brings the inspiration. Siya yung muse, di ba?
Totoo po.
Oo.
Parang kailangan lang talaga nating makinig at maging open, no?
Kung maghihintay ka lagi ng inspiration, kung gagawa ka ng album,
Opo.
how many affairs do you need to feel inspired to write love songs, di ba?
Opo.
Kalokohan yun.